This is Corey Hillis with EMF Solutions, and I'm here today to show you how easy it is to put a home harmonizer, which used to be called the commander box, on your average electric meter on the average home, okay? So here's the electric meter. This is pretty standard. Now you have a pipe going in and a pipe coming out of the meter. Now, it doesn't matter which pipe this goes on, it'll work just as great on either pipe. One thing I will cover before installing it though, if you have solar panels, remember you need two of these. If you have power lines within 15-20 yards, like extra big power lines, you're going to want two. If you have a transformer, that's the barrels on top of these electric lines, or if you have one buried in your yard, which is hard to know, you're definitely going to want an extra one of these too. And by the way, one of these is so strong now, we've equipped it so that when 5G comes to your neighborhood, it's still going to be good. You shouldn't need an extra one for 5G cell towers unless you have one within less than 15 yards of your house, then you would get a second one. But normally if they're on your block, this is going to cover it. So this is going to have a clamp, and if you put a little pressure in and you unscrew, the clamp simply comes apart. You get the right clamp size for your pipe, and this is how easy it is. We're going to clamp it to either one of these pipes. I'm going to choose the one on the left, which is the incoming going in, and we simply wrap it around. I can screw it on by hand, start it by hand, and then I'll finish it with an 8mm socket wrench, which just speeds up the process. I just kind of do it by hand, tightness. You don't need to screw it on super tight. Once it's firmly on there, you're done. Now, if you need two, don't put two in random spots, okay? You want one, if one was here, you would want the other one parallel on the same side of the pipe right next to it, okay? Both shooting off the same side of the pipe. Don't put them on opposite sides of the pipe. That's not going to work right. One other key is if you have a pipe like this that goes all the way to the ground, in this case the electricity is coming in from the ground, you could put the commander box or commander boxes touching the ground or really close, and that's going to maximize the power and it's going to do an even better job. One of these boxes should do up to an average 4,000 square foot home. Two of them can do all the special circumstances that we talked about. Now I want to cover one more rule. Now the commander box is facing the pipe. The clamp side is facing the pipe. That's important. We've designed it that way for a very specific reason. It works best that way. It's very important that you don't put this box all the way up towards something else. Anything else that's metal or electric will start to interfere with how this works. So you wouldn't want to put it all the way up this high. Okay, so we slide it down at least 8 inches away from this. If this had metal pipes on this side, I would rather do this pipe and I'd come off this direction. I definitely wouldn't want to put it in the middle because you want all 5 of the other sides of this box 8 inches or more from anything metal or electric. So if you put the box right in the middle here, that would be no good because it could be next to this and this and this. Too many metal things around. That's the main rule. If you have any other questions, please talk to your rep, but that's how simple it is. Thank you.